5 News.
Well, weather conditions for viewing that lunar eclipse are going to be fairly nice in our area, but I'll get to that in just a moment. We're taking a look at our local weather cams right now, seeing a little bit of some rain activity outside of University Motors in Morgantown, as well as a little bit now outside of Dan Cava's Buick GMC in Bridgeport. So we're seeing these isolated showers across the area. These have really been ramping up over the course of the afternoon. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, you can see how these are very isolated across the area, but pretty much spanning all of north central West Virginia. Some of these a little bit stronger than others. Seen a little bit of thunderstorm activity throughout these showers. If we zoom out, we can see this is affecting most of our region, and this is still a result of that low pressure system that's been tracking up the coast of the Atlantic. It's the same thing that brought us those showers yesterday, and we're going to continue to possibly see a little bit of shower activity tomorrow with this system as that continues to pull towards the northeast. But we do also have this other system out here towards our west. You can see this front kind of developing across Indiana, starting to enter Ohio as well. That is going to be our next weather system. That's going to be approaching Monday morning, and that's going to bring some heavier rain as we approach the morning commute for Monday. Our current temperatures right now are still fairly warm across the area, starting to come down now into the 70s for much of the area. A little bit chillier in those higher elevations. Davis at 66 degrees. By the time we reach tomorrow morning, these low temperatures not going to be falling very low, a little bit above average for this time of year. Many of us only dropping to the upper 50s. Some of us even in the low 60s, with Fairmont at 60 and Morgantown at 61 degrees. Tomorrow's highs are going to be fairly warm, especially out there towards the west, seeing those highs in the mid 80s. Harrisville 85 degrees, a little bit chillier again in those higher elevations, but still surpassing the 70s. But as we head into Monday, once that cold front crosses our area, these temperatures are going to be taking a dip. Many of us only going to be maxing out in the low 70s. But as we go throughout the rest of the week, those temperatures are going to start to mend back up into the 80s. So taking a look at the futurecast here, throughout the rest of this evening, we're going to continue to see these isolated showers and thunderstorms across the area. By the time we reach about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, those will mostly start to calm down, and we'll just be seeing clouds for the rest of the night as we head into Sunday morning. As we head into the afternoon, those clouds are going to start to clear out. Notice how we start to see that activity ramping back up again in the east. Most of that is going to be staying to the east as that low pressure system gets a little bit further from us, but it's still possible that we could see a few showers or thunderstorms throughout the day, but mostly we're going to be seeing nicer conditions tomorrow as opposed to what we saw today. There's that futurecast for midnight on Sunday night. That is when we're going to be seeing that lunar eclipse. So we're going to be seeing some very calm conditions, but there's that cold front moving through pretty much in those morning rush hour times. So that's when we're going to be seeing that really heavy rain and possibly a few thunderstorms as well. Going to be lingering into Monday, but then we'll start to clear out a little bit later on in the day. I'll leave you here with your 7-day forecast. A little bit chillier for Monday, but things are going to get very warm by the time we end the week on Friday at 89 degrees.